The relay has now been removed. It took a long time. That's the area where the relay sits, and this is the back of it where you have to desolder the pins. That stuff is flux, so it does take a very long time, and there's 8 pins, which is kind of what makes it, you know, really hard, because all of them got to be released without any solder in order to get the part separated. So you can only really do it, I'm going to say, you need some solder wick, plenty of flux, a little bit of solder, because occasionally you need a bit of solder on the end of your soldering iron in order to transfer the heat, and then you just have to keep trying to wick the solder out of the joints, and eventually you can do it. So now the only thing I have to do is, you know, maybe tin these slightly, the pins, and then that component's got to go into that board, which is probably going to be easier than getting the old one out. Actually, it took a really long time, probably took me maybe an hour, you know, so it's not going to happen quickly. The last one there is proving quite a bit problematic. So I'm just adding some new solder to encourage it to melt together with the old solder in order to pull it out. So now I can see it wicking up the copper tape. Still not great though. Okay, that's not too bad.